Hello, I'm Edward and welcome to windowsreport.com. In this video, I will show you how to fix the recycle bin file association error on Windows 10. A recycle bin is a location where deleted files or folders are temporarily stored in every version of Windows, and it allows users to recover files that were deleted. But some Windows 10 users reported the recycle bin file association error while trying to use it. This can be due to incorrect settings in the OS, software conflicts, or even problems within the operating system. Let's take a look at how to solve this issue in no time. For a more detailed explanation and even more solutions, please check the article in the description below. The first solution is deleting all files from the recycle bin. According to users, if you're having recycle bin file association errors, the problem might be related to the files in the recycle bin. To fix this issue, users are suggesting to access your recycle bin and manually remove all files from it. To do that, just right-click Recycle Bin and simply select Empty Recycle Bin. This will delete all files in the recycle bin and the problem should be resolved. Another great solution is using command prompt. To do that, just click the Start button in the lower left corner and simply type cmd. Then run command prompt as administrator. Then in the command prompt window, just type the following command and then press enter. You'll be asked to confirm if you're sure that you want to remove this directory. Type Y and then press enter. After removing the directory, the problem should be completely resolved and Windows will automatically create a new recycle bin. Keep in mind that this method will delete all files that you have in your recycle bin, so be sure to back up any files that you might need. You can also perform an SFC and DISM scans. You can do that by clicking the Start button in the lower left corner, then writing cmd. Then right-click the command prompt and run as administrator. But before you utilize the SFC tool, enter the following command in command prompt and press enter. Afterwards, just restart Windows if the DISM tool makes any changes. Then reopen the command prompt and input SFC/scan now in the prompts window. Then press enter to initiate the SFC scan, which might take 20 to 30 minutes. Restart Windows if the SFC scan informs you that it repaired files. And another great solution is performing a system restore. To start with, click the search button in the lower left corner and type run. Once you open the run window, type the following command: rstrui. Then click OK to launch System Restore. Select the Choose a different restore point option if there's a recommended restore point. Then select the next option to continue. To see a full list of restore points, click the Show More Restore Points checkbox. If you're not sure what date to choose, just make sure to choose the oldest restore point you can. Press the next button to proceed to restore point confirmation and click Finish to confirm your selected restore point and initiate the Windows restoration process. For more information and details, please check the article in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.